I'm Andy Pappas, the owner of World Gym.
And I'm Christina Jordan, General Manager.
We'd personally like to invite you to come out to World Gym and have a workout on us.
World Gym prides itself on a variety of classes and personal training.
We also pride ourselves on being the neighborhood gym and every man's gym. A gym that represents the community. So come out, have a workout, and have some fun. Thanks.